So I'm going to be doing my makeup that I do mostly every day, and I'm going to show you how I curl my hair. So if you want to see that, then just keep watching, and if you enjoy this video at the end, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. So I go in with It's a 10 leave-in conditioner, and I just spray that all over my hair. And then the next product that I'm going to use is the Sebastian volume spray. I'm going to spray that all over as well, and then just comb it out with a wide tooth comb. You guys, if you've never used a wet brush, you're truly missing out. It gets out all the tangles and doesn't hurt at all. Next, I'm going in with my Hot Tools hair dryer and just blow drying in all different directions. I like to blow dry the opposite way that I want the hair to lay, so I get all the volume possible. I'm sweating. That's why I blow dry my hair first, because I sweat to death. So after I prime my lids, I'm going to go in with my eyeshadow palette called Real Her Do Your Squats, and I'm going to use the lightest shade just to put all over my base and under my brow. Then I'm going to go in with the matte brown color in the palette and just blend that into the crease of my eyelid. This brown purple kind of color, and I like to put that in my outer corners and just blend that slightly into my crease in with that matte brown. Then I'm going to go in with this rose gold color on my eyelid just to give the look a little bit of pop and shimmer. This is the Shadowsense by Senegence in the shade Candlelight, and I put that underneath my eyes to get rid of my dark circles. It's a little heart. That's so cute. Next, I'm using the Senegence concealer just to cover up some of my blemishes. The Anastasia contour palettes have always been my favorite, so I'm going in with the lighter brown shade and just contouring my cheekbones and my forehead just a little bit. Then I like to dust Rodan and Field's mineral peptides all over my face just to give me more of an airbrushed look. I'm going back in with Senegence Shadowsense in the shade Mulberry, and I like to use that as a blush. I shade in my eyebrows with the Anastasia brow pencil, and this is probably the longest process in my makeup routine, is just getting my brows exactly how I like them to be. Then I go in with the Senegence Lip Sense in Blackberry, and I actually use that as a liquid eyeliner. It's the only liner that I found that stays all day without smudging at all. Honestly, I don't remember what brand of mascara this is that I'm using, but I have two different ones that I use on top of each other just for a different look. And I got them at Kohl's. They were part of a Star Wars collection of some sort, but they were on clearance, so I got them for like $3. Then I just go in with a Q-tip and spot check wherever I got extra mascara. And check out those lashes! Thanks to Rodan and Field's Lash Boost. If you guys need any, hit my sister-in-law up, Haven Andrews. So after I split my hair into two sections, the bottom and the top, I'm going to start curling the bottom. And I always curl away from my face, just so nothing looks funny, like right next to my face. And the biggest two tricks that I have are starting in the middle and working your way down with the curling iron, and leaving the bottom inch or so out, just because it gives it more of a beachy wave rather than a really curly curl. And I'm going to use that same technique that I used on the bottom section on the top as well. is curled, I'm going to grab my mirror and look at the back and make sure I got all of the pieces back there. And then I'm just going to kind of shake those curls out to make them look a little bit more relaxed. And you'll see that I had a big kink in my hair, so I'm just kind of running the curling iron back over that to smooth it out a little bit and re-curling that piece. And then I'm just going to kind of shake everything back out and re-curl anything that needs to be re-curled. So after I use that Kuene volumizing powder, I'm just going to kind of shake it into my hair, and that helps give me a lot of extra volume. And then I'm going to go back in with my Paul Mitchell Hold Me Tight hairspray and just spray everything into place. It's a really light hairspray, which I like because I can still get my fingers through it when everything's said and done. Okay, so I figured why not film a get unready with me during my get ready with me. So I just take a wet washcloth and I use Dermalogica Pre-Cleanse to wipe off all of my makeup from the day. And it helps my face feel so clean. And then once all of my makeup is off, I go in with Penoxyl, the 10% benzoyl peroxide. I've been using this since middle school. It's the only thing that truly really helps with my breakouts. And I just wash my face with that and then dry it. Once my face is all dry after I wash it, I'm going to go in with something that my dermatologist recommended to me. She actually prescribed it for me. It's just a topical clindamycin, I believe it's called, and it's supposed to help with my breakouts. You can never forget the lash boost in your nightly routine, and I like to put it on my eyebrows too, just to help my eyebrows look a little bit fuller as well. Alright guys, I'm going to end this video here. I hope you enjoyed my get ready with me and get unready with me. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. We'll see you next time.